Hi everyone. Chronic kidney disease patients are often overlooked when it comes to exercise programs. Although the medical community, specifically a majority of nephrologists, are of the opinion that their patients should engage in regular exercise to improve overall health. CKD means chronic kidney disease patient. Every CKD patient will have a doubt on why to do exercise, which exercises are best, how much should I exercise, how to stay safe while exercising. Why to exercise? People with chronic kidney disease can benefit from exercising regularly just like those without this condition. Your quality of health can improve if you engage in activities that strengthen the muscles, bones, and joints in your body. This can improve your balance and coordination, which can prevent you from falls and protect your independence as you grow older. Other physical exercises benefits also include improved blood pressure and diabetes control. Sometimes these diseases can worsen when the kidneys are damaged and more medications may have to be added to those that you are taking currently. Exercising regularly may help lower your blood pressure and keep it from further damaging the kidneys. In the same way, exercise helps to lower your blood sugar levels throughout the day and night and put less stress on the kidneys. Which exercises are best? Structured activities include aerobic, strength, and flexibility activities. Aerobic activities are when you use large amount of oxygen. These types of exercises include walking, jogging, stair climbing, swimming, water walking and water aerobics, gardening, dancing, bicycling and chair exercises. Other types of aerobic exercises can be performed on machines such as treadmill, stationary bike or elliptical trainer. Strength training involves using large muscles of your body to perform activities. For instance, free weights or dumbbells, resistance bands and tubes, pellets, and medical balls aid in strengthening your muscles. Flexibility type activities move your joints through their full range of motion and help to lessen your risk of injury when performing physical activities. These include strengthening and yoga. How much should I exercise? If you have not exercising regularly, you want to start slowly and work up to a pace that you are comfortable with each day. Ideally, you want to engage in exercise, aerobic, strengthening or flexibility activities 5 times per week. If you can get in a habit of exercising at the same time each day, it will be less of a chore and more of a routine of living healthfully, just like eating your meals. For instance, being and end your work with stretching exercises and follow with either an aerobic activity such as walking or strength training such as lifting handheld weights. A combination of these activities using different muscle groups each day, such as the upper body one day and the lower body another day, will improve your health over time. How can I stay safe while exercising? The main thing to remember when exercising is to listen to your body. Keep in mind that exercising regularly is healthy, that not exercising at all. But if you do develop any of the following problems, stop what you are doing and seek medical help. A muscle cramps or joint pain, a nausea or vomiting, a pain in the upper part of your body, including your face and jaw, a problem seeking, speaking, or trouble swallowing, a shortness of breath that is not normal, a sudden headache, dizziness, or a feeling of lightheadedness, a sudden weakness in your arms or legs. The exercise ideas for you. Begin by walking at a slow but steady pace for 10 minutes 5 days a week. Once comfortable with the walking 10 minutes a daily, then increase to 20 minutes each other day at a brisk pace. After 1 month, increase your time to 30 minutes each other day. Then, after 1 month, walk 30 minutes 5 times a week. At this point, you will be walking long enough and with the right amount of effort to gain the benefits of exercise and improve your health. Stand straight with your hands on a counter or rail for support. Slowly raise your heels up off the floor and count to 2. Then lower your heels back down to the floor. Repeat 8 to 12 times a day for toe rising. Sit in a chair where your back is straight and your knees are bent and feet are flat on the floor. Lift and straighten your right leg and hold for a few seconds. Lower your right leg to the starting position. Repeat using your left leg. Perform exercise 8 to 12 times with each leg for leg lifts. Stretching exercises will help to lengthen and loosen your muscles and joints. Perform these as warm up and cool down part of your overall exercise plan. For shoulder rotations, while standing or sitting, move the top of your right shoulder forward in a circular motion for 15 to 30 seconds. Then repeat with your left shoulder. For leg stretches, while lying on the bed, bend your right leg and keep your left leg straight. With both your hands placed behind your right leg, pull your thigh towards your chest and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat with your left leg. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.